Very beautiful view. This is pivaniya talab in our city, Shahpura. Here you can see many lotus flowers.
Lotus flowers?
Yeah, can't you see?
Yeah, many. And some are about to bloom.
Yes, very beautiful. There is an island.
Where?
Wow, that is island like a tapu.
Oh,
Many palm trees. Very peaceful view. Birds are chirping
we
over
can
there.
live there.
We can't. We are not allowed to live there.
Huh?
Birds are chirping.
We can go by boat.
Yeah, we can go by boat.
It's a good place to sail.
Yes.
We just came from swimming. The birds are chirping non-stop.
And that sound is very beautiful sound. Heart touching sound.
I wonder what fish is living in this. Maybe shark. Or
No, shark is only in ocean.
why? But shark is in zoo
Yeah.
too. Aquarium.
Very beautiful view.
It's not very deep, right?
Yeah, here it's not very deep, but it's very deep.
That side is very deep. I can see the ground here.
Yeah. Very neat and clean water.
We can't drink it.
Yeah, it's not for drinking water, but people come here to bath
Huh?
over there. Yes.
Yeah.
Many lotus flowers.